Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a very simple chick emoji. Let's draw the head first. The shape of the head is kind of be a partial oval. So let's just go up, draw kind of like an egg shape oval, or whatever oval. Right in the center then will be the beak. Let's just draw a curve that kind of flares out a little bit at the ends of the mouth. Alright, so a couple lines that curve downward and meet in the middle, and then a shallow curve at the bottom. Let's draw a couple eyes. So just a couple big ovals and inner pupil with a highlight in the upper right. And we'll draw another oval on this side. And again, the pupil with the highlight in the upper right. Let's give him a tuft of hair at the top and just kind of draw a line that goes out and then up, and go draw a second one right there. Okay, make this outline a little bit thicker. Alright, so let's draw the wings. It's gonna go out to either side, and the other side. We'll bring this back then, round out the end a little bit, and then back. Same here. Just go back, and now we can draw a horizontal oval for the body. Starting right here about where his elbow is, we're gonna go across, and then go back up and meet over here. Alright, so let's draw a couple feet right here. Just draw a couple lines, fairly narrow feet, narrow legs, and then let's draw just a couple simple feet. So from here we'll just draw a curve on either side, round out the ends, and then draw a flat line, straight line at the bottom, and then finish off the legs to connect them. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make the outline a little bit thicker. Let's just go ahead and draw a couple shadow lines here just to make it a little bit more interesting. And that should be pretty much it. This was a very simple, easy emoji of a chick. So thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. Bye.